Hello guys, and today I'm going to show you the top 5 best laptops for graphic design. So before we start the video, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. And with that being said, let's get started. So number 5 on the list is the Dell Inspiron 137000. The Dell Inspiron 137000 is a great graphic design laptop that offers great performance for around $550. This is the only fully budget offering I have on this list, and it has a great value. The build quality and design of the laptop is solid. You get a full metal build on it that can easily be compared to more expensive ultrabooks due to its sleek and stylish form factor. Overall, it is a nicely built laptop that is thin and light. The display on this is a big plus point. With this, you get a 13-inch Full HD IPS 2-in-1 panel that features touchscreen and accurate colors. The specs on the laptop include the AMD Ryzen 5 2500U CPU, 8GB of RAM, a 1TB hard drive, and the AMD Vega 8 graphics. As you may have heard me say in my older videos, the AMD Ryzen 5 CPU offers some of the best performance for the price, and the integrated GPU here is quite powerful as well. All in all, the performance is quite great and it will be able to do anything you throw at it. Number 4 on the list is the Dell XPS 13. The Dell XPS 13 at around $900 is a great all-around ultrabook and could just be one of the best all-around thin and light laptops you can buy right now. The design and build quality of the laptop is excellent. You get a very thin and light form factor that is fully made of metal and is an overall very premium looking laptop. The display on this is also great. It is a 13-inch Full HD IPS panel that looks great with really accurate colors, great viewing angles, thin bezels and good sharpness. The display could be one of the most accurate panels out there and should be perfect for editing photos and videos. The specs on the laptop include the Intel Core i5 8250U processor, 8GB of RAM, and a 256GB M2 SSD. Because of the specs and the really fast SSD, you get very snappy performance overall, and the laptop is also capable of some medium to heavy editing as well. So number 3 on the list is the Acer Predator Helios 300. The Acer Predator Helios 300 is undoubtedly the best performing laptop on this list and comes in at around $1000. This is the perfect option for anyone that needs a lot of performance but doesn't mind some bulk. The build quality and design on this is actually quite good, but is quite big. It looks and feels good, but the laptop isn't very portable as it is however a bit thick and heavy. Overall though, it should be decent if you consider the specs it offers. The display here is excellent and the specs on it are insane for a laptop. With this, you get a 15.6-inch Full HD IPS panel that by itself is really good, but its refresh rate is 144Hz. This means that the display will have much more smoothness and responsiveness as compared to a normal laptop panel, which is usually clocked at 60Hz. The specs on the laptop are actually some of the best out there and include the Intel Core i7 8750H processor, 16GB of RAM, a 256GB SSD, and the Nvidia GeForce GTX 1060. This should give you some pretty incredible performance, with it being able to handle every game out there at 1080p and will basically let you run any application without any issue. Number 2 on the list is the MacBook Air. The MacBook Air 2019 is one of the most premium laptops you can buy for around $1000. It has that really good MacBook build quality, a great 13-inch Retina display, and some good specs. The build quality of the MacBook Air is great. You get a full metal body here. With a really stylish and classy design. It comes in 2 different colors, space grey and silver, and both look really good. As this is the Air version, it is one of the lightest laptops you can buy and is extremely portable. The display on this is a huge upgrade from the older model and is now one of the best displays for the price. The display is a 13.3-inch 2560x1600 Retina LED display that looks really nice with accurate colors, great viewing angles, and excellent sharpness. This is more than good enough for basically any task as well as graphic designing. The specs on the laptop include the Intel Core i5 8th-gen CPU, 8GB of RAM, a 256GB SSD, and the Intel UHD 617 graphics. The specs are overall good, but the main seller for the performance is the optimization with macOS, and because of that, most software work better here than they do on Windows at most times. So number 1 on the list is the Microsoft Surface 2 laptop. The Surface 2 from Microsoft is just the right upgrade from the previous model for making it a very attractive laptop for many people. First off, its design and build is actually incredible. It is a very premium looking and feeling laptop with its different colors and overall pretty unique look. One thing I will complain about here is that there are too few ports available in this for the size. The display is one of the biggest plus points for the laptop. With this, you get a 13.5-inch 2256 by 1504 pixel dense touchscreen display that looks excellent. You get very accurate colors and contrast, great sharpness, and some of the best viewing angles on a laptop display. The performance on the laptop is good for what it is. Its specs include the Intel Core i5-8250U processor, 8GB of RAM, and a 256GB SSD. Performance should be great for most normal work, as well as a bit of editing, and will let you run any graphic design software with ease. So that's it for the video guys, thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to the channel, and I hope you enjoyed the video. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.